Hello students, today we are going to explore a fundamental concept in mathematics, science and engineering, the coordinate system. Imagine a plane, a flat surface stretching out in very direction. To navigate and locate points on this plane, we need a system that help us identify exact position. That's why the coordinate systems comes in. First of all, we will study order pair. What is an order pair? An order pair is a composition of two elements that are separated by a comma and written inside the system. For example, in an order pair xy, the x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. X is also called x coordinate and y is also called y coordinate. What is Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane is formed by two perpendicular lines. Which lines? Perpendicular lines, and is used to plot order pair. Cartesian plane is also known as xy plane or coordinate plane. The horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. And what are quadrants? Both axes x and y-axis divide a Cartesian plane into four regions called quadrants. The quadrants are identified by Roman numerals starting from the top right and going around counterclockwise. Now signs of coordinates in four quadrants. In first quadrant, both the x and y coordinates are positive. In second quadrant, the x coordinate is negative but the y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y coordinates are negative. And in fourth quadrant, the last one, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Here is the figure what we have learned so far. There are two perpendicular lines and intersect at the point called origin, and there are four quadrants going around anti-clockwise. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So let's understand the coordinate plane system with examples. Coordinates are way to describe the location of a point on a grid or a map. We use two numbers written as x, y. The first number x tells us the location of a point left or right from the middle of a grid called origin 0, 0. The second number y tells us the location of a point up or down from the middle of a grid 0, 0. Let's take an example. The point 3, 2, where 3 is abscissa and 2 is ordinate. 3 jumps from right and 2 jumps up. Let's take another point, minus 5 and 3. 5 jumps left and 3 jumps up. Let's take another point, minus 2, minus 2. 2 jumps left and 2 jumps down. Here is another point, 5 and minus 4. 5 jumps right and 4 jumps down. These points are located according to the sign of abscissa and ordinates. Now let's take an example, a very unique and easy. Let's suppose a line cuts y-axis at positive 2 or a line cuts y-axis at minus 2. So it's mean the line cuts y-axis from up and down. It means that these lines are parallel to the x-axis. The point is written as 0, minus 2 and line can be written as y equals to minus 2 and y equals to 2. Let's take another example. Now let's suppose the lines cut parallel to y axis. The point can be written as 3, 0 or minus 3, 0 and the line can be written as x is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to minus 3. So thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of coordinates. I am leaving you with a quote: mathematics is not to be solved but a world to be explored.